Here we are going to solve exercise 4.3 of ML Agarwal class 9th mathematics, and the first question here is 4x square minus 25y square. Here we have to factorize it, so we can write it in the form of formula as 2x ka whole square minus 5y ka whole square. We can write it as 2x minus 5y. Here 2x plus 5y as the answer. Now the second part in this question is 9x square minus 1. Here we can write it as 3x ka whole square minus 1 ka whole square equal to 3x minus 1, and here 3x plus 1 as the answer here. Let us solve the second question, which says 150 minus 6a square. So here we will take common as 6. So on taking common we will get 2 here and 5 here. Minus a square. Here we can write it as a formula here. 5 ka whole square minus a square. So a square minus b square formula is equal to a minus b and a plus b. We will open this formula. 6, 5 minus a and 5 plus a is the answer here. Now the second part in this question is 32x square minus 18y square. We can take here common as 2. So 16x square minus 9y square. Again we can write it as 4x ka whole square minus 3y ka whole square. Here 2 4x minus 3y, and here 4x plus 3y is the answer in this question. Now let us solve the third question, first part, which is x minus y ka whole square minus 9. So we will open this open as a formula, x minus whole square minus 3 ka whole square. Now we can write it as a minus a square minus b square formula, a minus b and a plus b. On opening this here, we will get x minus y minus 3 and x minus y plus 3 as the answer in this question. Now the second part here is 9x plus y ka whole square minus x square. On solving this, we will get, firstly we will take as 3x plus y ka whole square minus x square. We can write it as 3x plus y minus x and 3x plus y plus x. On opening this, we will get 3x plus 3y minus x. Here 3x plus 3y plus x. We can write it as 2x plus 3y, and here 4x plus 3y as the answer here. Now let us solve the fourth question, first part, which is 20x square minus 45y square. On taking 5 here as common, 4x square minus 9y square. Again we can write it as 2x ka whole square minus 3y ka whole square. We can write it as 2x minus 3y, and here 2x plus 3y as the answer. Now the second part in this question is 9x square minus 4y plus 2x ka whole square. On solving this part, we can write it as 3x ka whole square minus 2 here y plus 2x ka whole square. We can write here it as a square minus b square whole square formula. So 3x minus 2y plus 4x here, and here 3x plus 2y plus 4x. Here we will open with minus, so 3x minus 2y minus 4x, and here 3x plus 2y plus 4x. Here we will write as minus x minus 2y, and here 7x plus 2y. Here we will take minus as common, so minus x plus 2y, and 7x plus 2y is the answer in this question. Here let us solve fifth question, first part, which is 2x minus 2y का whole square minus 50y का square. On taking 2 here as common, we will get 2x minus 2y का whole square minus 25y square equal to 2 x minus 2y minus here whole square minus 5y का whole square. On writing this, we will get here x minus 2y minus 5y, and here x minus 2y plus 5y. So this is the answer here. Now the second part here is, on writing it as 32 minus 2 x minus 4 का whole square. Here we can write 2 16 minus x minus 4 का whole square. Here 2 4 का whole square minus x minus 4 का whole square. So 16 minus x minus we can write it as a square minus b square formula. So here 2 4 minus x minus 4. Here 4 plus x minus 4. So 2 4 minus x plus 4 on opening with minus, and 4 plus x minus 4. This 4 will cancel out and we will get 2 8 minus x, and here 2x. So this is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the sixth question, first part, which is 108 a square minus 3 b minus c square. On finding this here, we can write it as square. So we will take firstly 3 as common. Here 36 a square minus b minus c का whole square. Here 3 we will write it as a square minus b square. So 6a का whole square minus b minus c का whole square. On writing this 3 6a minus b minus c, and here 6a plus b minus c. So 3 6a minus b plus c. Here 6a plus b minus c is the answer in this question. Now the second part of sixth question is pi a की power 5 minus pi cube ab square. On taking pi and a as common in this question, we will get a की power 4 here minus pi square b square. We can write it as a square minus b square. So a square का whole square minus pi by b, pi into b का whole square. So we can write it pi a minus pi b, a square minus pi b, and a square plus pi b. So this is the answer here of second part. Now let us solve the seventh question here, which is seventh first part, 50x square minus 2x minus 2 का whole square. On writing this, on opening this, we will get as, firstly we will take 2 as common. So 25x square minus x minus 2 का whole square. Now we can write it as a square minus b square. So 2 5x का whole square minus x minus 2 का whole square is there only. So 2 5x minus x minus 2 here, and here 5x plus x minus 2. On opening this bracket, we will get 2 5x minus x plus 2. Here 5x plus x minus 2. Now we can simplify it. On simplifying, we will get 4x plus 2, and here 6x minus 2. We can take common 2 from both. We will get 8, 2x plus 1, here 3x minus 1. So this is the answer of first part. Now let us solve seventh second part, which is x minus 2, x plus 2 and plus 3. So x minus 2, x plus 2, and here plus 3. On writing it, we can write it as x square minus 2 का square plus 3. So x x square minus 4 plus 3. So we get x square minus 1. Now we can simplify it by a square by minus b square formula, which is a minus b and a plus b. On simplifying, we will get x minus 1 and x plus 1 as the answer of the second part.